So I've already slightly unboxed by literally just taking it out of the box. Alright, so we have a portable monitor. It's 15.6 inches, full HD, 1080p, and it's made by AMATAGE or
something.
AMATAGE, however you want to say it. Alright, so let's get this open so we can take a look at it. Alright, so we've got Pete here. He's helping us with the unboxing. And
he's probably gonna leave.
He just licked the table. So, alright, so first I want to say it comes in a really nice box.
Yeah, it really is nice.
Looks like it's, get this puppy open. Alright, got a little sleeve. Let's see what it says here. So 15.6 inches, like I said already. Looks like it's only 10 millimeters thick. And it only weighs 1.5 kilograms. And the material is metal plus ABS.
What is ABS?
Plastic.
Okay.
Ish. Alright, here again. Nice case. So let's see what all we have in here. So first I have a HDMI cable, HDMI to USB. So that's that. And then I have a Type C to USB. And I have a Type C to Type C.
I think this is
and this is our power cable. So this, you don't have to use this with just a computer. So my son said, "Oh, that's interesting, the Type C to Type C." So that's, I can actually hook my phone up to this and be an extension of my phone. So if I wanted to watch movies,
yeah,
boom, right?
Type C mobile phone.
Exactly.
Right. Okay, now that's cool.
So nice foam thing here again.
Just a bunch of
packaged
blah, blah, blah.
very, very nicely. I love how they've packaged this.
Yeah, they don't
Alright, so this is empty now, so I'm just going to move this out of the way. So here we have our screen. Nice leathery type filled back. Opens up. Has 3 different setting positions built into this. So can do like this, or like this. Alright, so let's look at the back of it real fast. It looks like it's got a couple of screw type fasteners that are keeping the monitor to here. Okay, wow. On the sides we have USB.
2 Type C's, I think.
Yeah, 2 Type C's. I'm not sure what that other one is. No, this is the micro. Yeah. So we've got 2 Type C's, 2 Type B's, or the micro. Looks like a headphone, or is that? Yeah, headphone. Oh, and then the power cord. So I assume that's what this is. No, that's Type C. So, anyways, I don't know if you can see them or not, but that's what we've got right here. Not 100% sure what that top one is. It looks like just a larger Type B, but I know it's not. On the right hand side of it is nothing. Maybe it looks like a speaker output.
Like behind it? No?
Behind it, nothing behind it. There is a hole in the bottom right hand side of the monitor, right down there where my pinky's pointing. So I'm assuming maybe if you have a pin,
you can lock it into place.
That you can just set your pin in there maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. On the front is a menu button, and then a plus or minus, which I'm assuming is going to be for volume. So
we can try to set it up on your like use the USB-C to that, and I can record it and send it.
No, you give me your phone, and we'll do it on your phone. This is Pete. He looks a little. This is Pete. He's the feature of the show right here. This is
Pete. Just gonna open up a year video.
Yeah, just pull up some YouTube video.
Oh,
yeah, awesome, cool. All right, so I believe it can get its power directly from your phone.
That's gonna be quite
But I'm not
intense.
I'm not 100% sure on that, so let me try it first.
That's true, that's gonna be quite intense. I feel like that'll run out really fast.
Well, it would,
but it's good for like shorter needs and stuff.
I think that it can though. So let's see. Once I get this turned on, then I'll show you guys.
Yeah, because you don't really need to see a blank screen.
No. Okay, it looks like, oh wow, it's powering up. So it is right now powering up off of my son's phone. It's saying no signal, probably because your screen went off. Let's see.
It's on no volume. It's turned it off.
All right, so
Oh yeah, I probably have to.
no signal. All right, let's try something different. Let's plug it into this one. So it's powering
maybe
it
you
up
can
again.
switch the battery. Maybe that's how you charge it when you don't have like a plug. No cable.
And this one says
Yeah,
no cable. So we need the power cable. So you
See
have
how
two
far you
Type
have
C
it.
slots on here. One is for the power cable. The power cable goes in the top.
Probably not read.
So we're gonna
But we can
pause this for just a second, and I'll get it going for you guys.
Oh yeah, definitely not.
All right. So as you can see, it is now mirroring it. So I'll log in here real fast. Let's see if I can get this different view. All right, we're logging in. Screen's looking good. So I dug deeper into the user manual here, and so if you're using it with a laptop or that type of device, you use the you can't use the Type C transmission. You have to use the HDMI. So yeah, so you use the HDMI, standard HDMI to micro HDMI or mini HDMI. So my computer's an older computer, so it's a little bit slow, but all right, cool. So now what I want to do, once it gets everything loaded up here, I'll do this. There we go. So I don't want it to. So it's currently it's just mirroring the screen that I have right now. So let me see if I can change this. Here again, my computer is just, it's an older computer, so it's running slow, but. Alright, so I paused it and came back to it for you all. So I'm in the display settings, and so I can extend them. I can show on only one or show only on two. So we're going to extend this display. And we're going to tell it to keep the changes. Alright, cool. So now you can see on this screen here, hopefully, with my mouse. So I'm dragging to the right all the way off my screen. And boom, here we are on the new screen. Yeah. So definitely works. Go back over here to
Drag
my
the
other
thing into
screen. Yeah, I'm gonna drag it over there so y'all can see it. Boom. So there it is. So it's over here in this window now. Put it back over here into this one. And let's see. Let's open up a website.
He approves. He approves of
He
his
approves.
message.
Thank you very much, Pete. So yeah, my laptop is still loading up, which is why everything is taking forever to do.
Yeah.
But
Yours is better than
one
mom's.
second, I'll be right back. All right, while the computer itself is loading up, there are some choices that we can do here inside of it. So we can give it backlight.
It's pretty dark.
There we
That's
go.
better.
Brightness. There we go. Whew. All right.
Heaven.
So backlight.
Well, what's backlight and what's brightness?
Trying to figure out how to get.
You probably press menu after, and then you're done. One more click menu.
No,
and then go.
somehow I got to get it down to. Would be so cool if it were touchscreen, but it's not.
Yeah.
But Okay, yeah. So here we go. So we're going through the. So, backlight, brightness, menu, and then we can crank up the brightness.
What's the max brightness?
It's very
How
weird
high is it?
that left is positive, or oh, never mind. It's the plus button. So yeah, it's a plus button.
That brightness didn't really
So
change.
brightness didn't change too much, but it might change it once we actually get an app opened up. I don't know.
Maybe.
So sharpness, and let's see.
Gotta go.
It doesn't give me. Okay, so there's two. No.
Yeah, backlight really does something.
So I'm trying to get to.
I'm not sure you can. Well, how do you close? Do you just?
Yeah, I'm trying to get down to this arrow
Use your mouse,
to get it back. Oh, that would be too easy, wouldn't it? Nope. So it doesn't go on. Oh, it
Well,
did
it removes
actually.
it. Well, I think it removes it if you click maybe.
So
Just click anywhere.
here we've got
No,
no. So we've got picture. We got display, so we can do auto adjust. Which yes, let's do that because I want it to. All right. Anyways, we'll get this sucker dialed in. All right. So anyways, the menus are definitely a little difficult to figure out just going off of what it's saying here, because if you notice it says usage of the keys, so there's not a third key, so I don't understand that, or or a fourth key for that. So adjust button, short press for volume setting, long press for brightness setting, and then function tune up button, choose left or right. I don't know. But anyways, you see the menu. So these buttons are labeled 9, 10, and 11. So a little bit weird instructions. However, if you'll notice, I've got Google up on this screen. I've got Google up here on this one. Let's go ahead and just go to a YouTube channel. Apologize for this video being long, but this is not a professional video. This is just me, a guy named Dave, who's trying to show you this. So this is my channel here, my YouTube channel. So we'll use this as an example, and we'll just play. This is the video that I made yesterday. So the volume does work on here. And then so it's pretty cool. It has its own volume settings instead of just what's on the computer itself. So that's pretty neat. So as you can tell, watching a video on this one, nothing over here on this one. All right. Like I said, I'm going to Liberty University, so go to the textbook thing that we have here. So we'll go to the library, and then so these are different Bibles that I've got on here and some other books. But so I can open up any of these Bibles that I want, and then recent, workspace, no titles are open. So cool. So anyways, so I'll be able to have my books open on this page, reading if I need to, and then say Microsoft Word on the other one. Alright, so we'll go ahead and end this video. So that's just a real simple video on this AMATAGE portable monitor, which is going to do exactly what I need it to do. You can do it with a phone. You've just you've got to reset your phone, I think, is what you've got to do. But that's not what I'm going to use it for. Oh, you can use it with Xbox. You can use it for your Switch, which that's pretty cool. What I love about it, you know, here, I'll unplug it, but you know, get it off of here. But whenever I'm done,
Bam, bop.
look how small this is. Stick that in my bag, and off I can go. I'm in the military, so I can travel wherever it is that I need to travel, and boom, I'm good to go, man. I can open it up on the desk wherever I'm at, hotel or whatever, and just keep on going to school without any issues. So I'll have a link down below to it if you want to pick it up. I think I got it for like $144, and so yeah, once I figure out the menu, and I may not need to tweak with that very much at all, because if it sets up exactly like I need it, then I'm not going to worry about it. But the brightness was the one thing that I was worried about, but we got that turned up. It's where the screen's nice and bright like my computer screen. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. God bless.
When life keeps falling and wonder where he is in all this mess, he's right there to guide you, unseen, you're not alone.